You know what the definition of a loser is? I wrote it on the board for you. It's somebody that keeps looking for excuses. Let me ask you, what are your excuses? You shouldn't have any. So there should be no excuse after you watch this video, because we're going to take a deep dive on the topic of late payments and show you exactly how to get them removed. And I'm not even going to wait. I'm just going to tell you how to get it removed right now. And by the end, that should be all you need to know. So are you ready for it? You just hire me and I'll remove it for you. With that being said, you can call me directly or text. I'm really good with text at 858-252-6053. And I will tell you personally, I'll look at your credit report and tell you whether or not it's fixable or not. That's the catch, right? It could not be possible unless you don't call me or text me. Even federal judges have hired me to fix their credit, and I've even worked with some of the best attorneys in America. Those of you that don't know me, I'm Andre. I'm the founder of Pinnacle Credit Repair. I was mentored by the original founder of Lexington Law, not the current owner, because Lexington Law was different way back before it changed. And I was mentored by a great, awesome attorney named Austin William Cooper. He was actually the attorney for former President John F. Kennedy. Anyway, that's enough tooting my horn.
Stop the cap.